I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use your lookalike audience in your advertisement. So I'm going to go to campaign now, and this is the campaign that is currently running. I click to expand it. Let me select the last 7 days. This ad set was performing very well before. I added money yesterday, but it's no longer performing the way I want it. So that was why I created this one now, and I want to update the audience. By the time I update the audience now, it should pick up at least to some extent. So I'm going to modify the audience. This was the lookalike audience I was using before. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one now and add that lookalike audience. Yeah, this is it. This is the one we have just created in our previous video. Okay, all Revit lists lookalike Cameroon, Ghana, Nigeria, and the rest. So I have selected that, and that is it. I'm going to publish it now. Hit publish. It is published. Click done. Then this one that is not performing up to expectation, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, so I've turned that off. Okay, that is how you can use lookalike audience in your ad set. See you in the next video. Bye.